Hello everyone, dear students, welcome back in new video tutorial. Dear students, in this video lecture we'll discuss about reflection of a point with respect to x-axis and y-axis. So let's get started. Dear students, first of all let's understand the meaning of reflection. Dear students, in mathematics, in coordinate geometry, reflection means a type of transformation that flips a point or shape across a line such as x-axis and y-axis, right? What happens after reflection? The reflected point is same distance from the line of reflection as original point, but on the opposite side. I'm repeating once again. The reflected point is the same distance from the line of reflection as original point, but on the opposite side. So let's understand visually with the help of GeoGebra. Dear students, first of all we'll talk about reflection with respect to x-axis. So what happens if a point is reflected across x-axis? Its x-coordinate remains the same, but the y-coordinate changes the sign. I once again repeat this thing. What happens if a point gets reflected with respect to x-axis? If a point is reflected across the x-axis, its x-coordinate remains the same, but the y-coordinate changes the sign. For example, if I take a point xy, then what happens if it is reflected with respect to x-axis? The x-coordinate remains the same, but the sign of y-coordinate, it gets changes. You can see here is a positive y-coordinate, here it is minus y-coordinates. So let's understand it visually. Let's take a point in first quadrant, say A, whose coordinates are 4, 5. If I reflect this point with respect to x-axis, what happens? We get a point that is, if I reflect this point with respect to x-axis, what happens? Its x-coordinate remains the same, but the y-coordinates, the sign of y-coordinate changes, right? In the same way, if I talk about the reflection of a point with respect to y-axis. If a point is reflected across the y-axis, its y-coordinate remains the same, but the x-coordinate changes the sign. If I am having a point xy with me, then after reflection, its x-coordinate changes. It becomes minus x. Let's visualize with the help of GeoGebra, dear student. If I take a point A, 4, 5, and with respect to y-axis, let's see its reflection. Yes. So we can see the x-coordinate changes its sign, whereas the y-coordinate remains the same. So dear students, I am taking one more point B, minus 7, minus 3. If I see its reflection with respect to x-axis, you can see x-coordinate is same, whereas the y-coordinate changes the sign. And if I see its reflection with respect to y-axis, you can see the x-coordinate changes the sign, whereas the y-coordinates remains the same. I hope it's clear to everyone. See this video again and again. Happy learning. Thank you.